using rigid connection sets. In this task, we assemble the piston subassembly using the rigid connection set. Disable all datum display types. In the ribbon, click Assemble from the component group. In the Open dialog box, select rigidpiston.asm, then click Open. In the Component Placement dashboard, select Rigid from the User-Defined drop-down menu. Select the near surface of piston2.prt and the bottom surface of the slot in rigid bracket.prt. In the dashboard, select Coincident as the constraint type. Select the near planar surface of piston2.prt and the far surface of the slot in rigid bracket.prt. In the dashboard, select Coincident as the constraint type. Select the near planar surface of piston2.prt and the near surface of rigid bracket.prt. In the dashboard, select Coincident as the constraint type. Click Complete Component from the Component Placement dashboard. In this task, we rigidly constrain the bottom of the piston subassembly. Click Drag Components from the component group and select the red piston1.prt part from the model tree. Drag the part to observe that the subassembly has maintained its motion. Middle-click to abort the dragging and click Close in the Drag dialog box. In the model tree, right-click rigidpiston.asm and select Edit Definition. In the Component Placement dashboard, click Placement and select New Set from the Placement tab. Select the bottom surface of piston1.prt and the surface at the bottom of the slot in rigid bracket.prt. In the dashboard, select Coincident as the constraint type. Notice the Constraints Invalid message in the dashboard. Adding a rigid connection to a second component of the subassembly has eliminated the motion of the subassembly, so these surfaces cannot be coincident. To assemble this subassembly and maintain its motion, the weld connection set should be used. Click Cancel Component from the dashboard and click Yes to confirm. This completes the demonstration.